Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming accounts and updates. This saves time later. Open the Meta Quest mobile app, sign in with the parent account, and pair your Quest 3. Once paired, make sure the headset runs the latest firmware and Wi-Fi is stable so settings apply. Next, enable two-factor authentication on your Meta account for safety. Finally, locate the child's profile or create a Meta account for them. This is essential before setting controls and managing what they can access. Once done with accounts, open family settings in the mobile app and create a family group. Add the child's account and assign parental roles. Go to the Content Restrictions panel to set age-based ratings and restrict purchases or require approval for store buys. Make sure to toggle app permissions and limit access to experimental or early release apps. For social controls, disable or require approval for voice chat and friend requests so you control who the child interacts with in VR. You finish by applying device-level limits. Set daily playtime, enable a passcode on the headset, and configure sleep timers to enforce breaks. After saving, sign into the child's profile to test that store access, communications, and purchases are blocked or require approval. If restrictions don't appear, restart both headset and phone, repair the device, and confirm the child's account is in your family group. This usually resolves sync issues. If problems persist, recheck firmware and two-factor settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.